Hello everybody, my name is Ava and I'm 7 years old. Today I'm going to be doing some experience with me. First thing first, safety before science. First, wear an apron. Second, always have a grown-up with you. Today's experiment will be rainbow rain. This is what you'll need. A glass cup of mineral oil. But don't fill it too much. And 4 small cups with water in them, not too much, these kind of cups. And a medicine dropper. And food coloring. You can get any food coloring you want. But I have red, yellow, green, and blue. Today we'll learn about what will happen when we mix oil and water together. Go ahead and grab your medicine dropper and squeeze. You're going to squeeze the top of the medicine dropper and pick which color you want. I'm going to go with red. Squeeze and take a few drops like this. And unsqueeze it. Take it out and look how much. You might have more than this, but that's okay. Let's see what happens. Wow! That's so cool! It just looks like raindrops. Uh-oh, the raindrops are popping! And then pick more colors. I'm gonna do yellow. That's my sister's favorite color. Do the same thing that you did with your color. I got more than red. Ooh.
One eternity later.
Then, you're going to keep doing it. Green is my dad's favorite color. I got more than yellow and red. Whoa. That's Mexico. And this is my mom's favorite color, blue. And this blue is classic blue. I got more than each color. Wow. It's turning into a big blob. Should we do more? I think so. Okay. I just get it in there. But look, there's a bowl. What do you guys see what's happening when I put the colors in the medicine dropper and drop it in? Watch with me. That's right. They're turning. The more colors are in it, the more the blob gets bigger. Water and oil are made of 2 different kinds of chemicals. So water and oil do not mix together. But what happens if we mix it with a straw and do something else? You see that I mix the colors here. And when I do it in here, and I drop it in the red, look what that makes. And then I do it with the blue, and I do it with the orange. You see how it's yellow? Look what the red does. Now when I pour the red in, what will happen? Look at that. Look what happened. Let's try a little bit of orange. Let's see. You feel it feels so weird. Look at that. You can see swirls all around it, picking up bubbles. I think this made a tornado. Well, that's the end of today's experience, but I had so much fun with you. If you're doing this at home, make sure you give up a group. A mom or a dad or an auntie and stuff. Make sure your grown-up is always there. Tell me how yours turned out. Make sure to subscribe of this video. If you want to see more, subscribe. And we'll do more experiments. Have fun!